All right. Thank you, Groundcover, for sponsoring us. Let's invite Cast AI to the stage here.
Thank you, everybody. I'd like to see a show of hands of how many people enjoy optimizing their Kubernetes clusters to save money. Got a few out here? All right, well, this is for you then. My name is Steve Poyer. I'm a solutions engineer at Cast AI. And what we have done at Cast is to develop a platform that gives you insight into what you're spending in your Kubernetes cluster. We then show you what you could be saving. And then we use AI and machine learning to optimize your cluster to actually realize those savings. So if you are manually optimizing your cluster, that goes away. No longer need to do it manually. What this means in the real world is that we have customers who are saving from 30%, 50%, even some customers that I've worked with who are seeing 60 to 70% savings on their monthly Kubernetes spend. We can also help you out with database spending as well as machine learning spending. So if you haven't already come by our booth, please come visit us, and we'd be happy to tell you all about it and how we can use our technology to help you. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Next, I would like to invite Sidero Labs to come up. I believe it's Justin. If you don't know Justin Garrison, he has really cool videos on how to that explains technology and cloud native in a much easier way. Thank you very much. Please check it out.
Hi, I'm Justin. Sidero is the Greek word for iron. We like to do bare metal in Kubernetes. I'm not going to take the full minute because we don't need the full minutes. Talos Linux, if you haven't heard of it, is the smallest, most secure, and least amount of maintenance Linux distro you can have for Kubernetes. That's it.
Cool. Thank you, Justin. Please see Justin at the booth. Next, we'd like to invite up the representative from Teleport to come tell us what Teleport does.
Who here loves open source? There you go. So Teleport started as an open source software, protecting and getting access to the SSH and Kubernetes resources. And now it has grown up into like identity and infrastructure platform, which connects users and engineering and platform teams to all the cloud resources and on-prem resources. And basically, as a platform engineer or developer, when you're onboarding, you want to discover those resources that you should have access to, whether it is K8s, SSH, databases, right? Or even cloud consoles, right? GCP, AWS, Azure. It's just hard to discover resources, but also access those resources. So Teleport removes that silo and friction between user and resources while providing security. So that's what Teleport is. Come by our booth, and if you have more questions, please reach out. Our core is open source, and we have enterprise features on top of it to support enterprise customers. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Our last gold sponsor is AWS. I'd like to invite the AWS folks to come up. I also want to thank AWS. They do contribute a lot for Kubernetes infra as well. So without them, upstream Kubernetes cannot be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello. How many of you have attended Solomon's keynote? It was awesome. And one thing which is going on right now is how AI is disrupting platform engineers. And that he used the word systems engineer, and we use the word platform engineer, but very similar. We have a story here that we are we can help you walk through it. How can one build a platform which is mature and modular that takes care of all the different types of workload, including all the agentic AI or the frameworks that you are building, all the data workload that you're running. So please stop by at booth. We have some raffle going on at 4 p.m. as well. And we will walk you through what you can do to build a platform which is mature to take on not just the current workload, but also the AI workload that is there, and it's up and coming. Nice to see you all, and thanks for coming here.